Hey guys, it's me, Cobra Boy Master 1063 here. Today, we are gonna make a simple website. So first, you're going to make a HTML thing. How you do that is open the text editor. It could be Notepad, that will work too. Well, I use Sublime Text. You go in File and Save As and put whatever you want, but you have to put the HTML in the end of it. Doesn't show because I already did it, because this is the second time attempting it. So yeah, and then you open it in Google Chrome. You could do it in Firefox. And right now, boring. So I could use a skip, but just because this is my first video, I'm doing it. Except not, well, kind of second because I did it on code.org. If you saw that video, please check it out. It's kind of boring, but whatever. So you have to type 2 arrows like that and then put HTML and then you go down and type it again, but this time I'm just gonna put slash. You have to put a slash because that means close HTML. So yeah, but you have to put more. So then you put it again and put header, basically. Yeah, basically. No. Down to put header, it's easier if you put head. Then you enter and then do that again. It's like a sandwich. There's HTML or the bread. HTMLs are the bread, and then heads are the tomatoes, whatever you put inside. Now we gotta put body. So this is, head, you don't see it. Like, you don't see it on the, so like head, you don't see it on the screen. But body, you do. So, you're obviously gonna want to change that. You don't want the name of the website to be website.html. So, how you do that is put arrow. You have to do it for like almost everything. No, oh my gosh. Title, and then close it, and then type what the website you want. I'm just gonna put website. Websites are cool. You can Control S or save, or you could go and file and save it. But when you refresh, there's the title. It doesn't change this, but there's the title. So, what's next is the H1. So the H1s are like it makes words bigger. H1 is the biggest, second biggest, third biggest, fourth biggest, fifth biggest, sixth biggest. So 6 is the smallest, and it's the smallest you could go to. 1 is the biggest that you could go to. So you put in, just put website. No, I'm gonna put hello world. Hello world. Make that more. Okay. Save it. Then we refresh. We get a big one. And just to show you how compared to it is, I'm gonna put hello world, but without those tags. And then see how small it is compared to that? Like the 6 is basically the same thing. So, but right now I'm gonna put H2. I'm basically copying what I did on the other video because I tried, but then I pressed this, which stopped the recording. So yeah, that was bad. So there, you got that. Then you save that. I'm just gonna save it just in case. And then refresh. Boom. See it changes. So now what we have to go over is the ball and the brakes and all of that stuff. So let's just go do that, and then we put so first we're gonna go over the both. So you used to put B, but now they changed it. I mean, you could still use it, but it's actually strong. Now you use strong. Oh yeah, guys, you have to make sure you don't see 2 arrows right there, because then it will mess up the thing. I had a lot of problems like that, and really annoying. And I felt like giving up, and then I noticed it. I was like, oh, okay. So let's put CBBM. Even check my name. It is a YouTube channel. Tube channel. Oh yeah, I do have to make this fast. I'm sorry, because I can only record up to 15 minutes. Because screen recorder is trying to make you buy it, for you can record as long as you want. It's really annoying how they want to make money. Okay, so now that we got that, and we put Control S, it'll make a word the same size but bolded. See? If you don't want the whole sentence bolded, so let's just put my channel name bolded. You just do this. Control S. You gotta make a space there like that, because then it will still keep it like that. See, it's regular, but then it will say my channel name is bolded. So there. And if I have time, I'll probably do CSS, but I'm just gonna do the background of it, just just to do that. Okay, next let's put BR. This one, you don't need to put a closing tag. You could just leave it like that, and then go down and type whatever you want. So in this case, we are gonna do lists, unordered lists, anyways. So you type LI, and then inside of LIs by pressing space when they're here. I keep putting my finger because I think you can see it, but you can't. When the 2 LIs are here, you go in the middle of them, between them, and space where you can go like that. If not, you have to space again because the text editors automatically do that. And then UI is unordered list. He's my jaw. So down in there you could just put like food, get food. You know what I mean? And then you put UL, and then you put toys. If you have kids, you need toys. And then you could put, you have to put, well, you don't have to, but you could put, oh, get snacks. I feel like I'm typing this wrong. Tell me in the comments below if I typed this wrong. Snakes. Yeah, totally. Look at snakes. Yeah. Snakes. Stick like that. Same thing last time I tried to do it. It just did that. I don't know if they changed how it works, but it just does that. So, yeah. There. What else do we have to go over? Links. I forgot to go over links. Okay. Let's go here, and how to do a link is arrows, A, and you put HREF, equals, quotes, 2 quotes, and in the middle of it, just type your link. So in this case, you have to put HTTP like the whole link. So I'm going to put Google, so let me just do that real quick. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to type fast because I only have like 5 minutes left. www.google.com. And then you close it, and then in the middle of these, you put Google. Google, totally. Google. Save it. Voila. But first, wait. Let me just put BR again. Like, please. Give me a break. Get it? Ha ha. I don't think that will work. Oh, it does work. Okay, you could do that. And then if you want it to be more neat, you could put BR here, just to make it like, you know, more separate. It ain't working for me. So you see it, it's a link. Press it. Just wait. The computer's kind of slow. Boom, you're in Google. Blah, 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 blah. So typed it, press the arrow to go back. Boom. Okay, so now for CSS, I'm only going to do a background because I don't have that much space left. You put style. So, arrow, style. Boom. You don't have to put the type CSS, and you can just make it lengthy. It could be on a different page, but I'm not going to do that because it's kind of confusing. So there, you got style. It has to be in the head. Well, you could put it in the body, but I would say put it in the head. Then once there, press space to do that. And what you type is background. So, background. Body. And then you put curly braces. And then you put background. Okay. Sorry, forgetting my code right now. Background. Then if you have a text editor, automatically put both. So you need a semicolon and a colon. And then you could just put the name of it, or you could go to HTML colors. I can't type. Colors. Color codes, basically here. Color codes. HTML color codes. See, white is FFFF. And yeah. So we're going here. Just gonna pick like a nice background color. Things like this would do fine, I mean. But this is not like not that good, so go back. If it will let me. So sorry. Like very slow. So HTML color codes. Yeah. I think it's this one. So you go to HTML color codes. It should be this. Yeah. And you pick a color. And it shows, and you have to copy and paste this. So like, I want blue. You know, I'm a fan of blue. I want to be bright. You copy, Control C. You go in here, but you have to put hashtag for they know it's a number, and type it in. If it's a valid, like if it's an actual color, it should turn purple. At least in my text editor. So then you save it. So this white page, it should turn that color. Ooh, whoa, a. And just for the last 2 minutes, we're gonna make one more style. We're gonna type H1, curly braces. So now we're getting here, and we could put the background. I'm just going to do this a little fast because I don't have that much time left. Actually, only a couple seconds. So background. And then let's just make it white. I'm just going to make white. Know what? Make it yellow. Yellow. You could just type that. Okay. Boom! Doesn't look that good, but whatever. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. And have a good time, everybody.